I'm done with my breakfast. And this morning I planted some vegetables. So here I have some mixed salad. And then over here I planted some Russian kale and curly kale and some pumpkin seeds. We'll just have to see if they grow. If not, oh well. And then over here I planted some Asian greens and what else? Spinach. And then I think I also did some pechay somewhere. I don't know. But these are the pots that has seeds. And then over here I did some ampalaya seeds. Just gonna let it climb in the grapevine. And then over here, over here is the pechay. I just scattered a lot of seeds in here in this pot. And then over here, a few, I had some, I guess one seeds of ampalaya. And then sitaw. Same over here. So between ampalaya and sitaw in this pot. The rest, nothing yet. Because I don't know what to plant anymore. Because right now, you can only do cool season vegetables, which I'm too lazy. I should plant some cabbage. Cabbage should be good over here in this big pot, or some broccoli. But I've been lazy. But so far, at least I got to plant something. It's good enough. And then, of course, I'm still working on my okra seed pods. So I have a lot of okra seed pods now. A lot. So I'm gonna be planting a lot of okra next time. I'm gonna be removing that garden bed and move it somewhere because the grass is just annoying. Yeah. My persimmon. And of course, that's it, pancit. I've just been lazy because it's hot. But right now, it's not so bad. It's livable. I have to remove this garden bed too. I'll have to find a spot for them. Maybe when the cool season starts.